How to choose who can use my Cameos selfie on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snap. Then when you open Snap, you go here to your profile, then click. And then go to settings here and click again. Then go down and click on Cameos. And then you go to who can use my Cameo selfie. And here you can choose, for example, if you want everyone can choose, or just your friends, or just you. And you are free to choose whatever you want. And that's it, guys. I hope to this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see